Hello dear viewers, now I am making a video on Dhanmuri Lake 8 number bridge, and this is a footable bridge. You can see the cars and rickshaws are going there, people are walking here and there. This is Dhanmuri 8 number bridge. Okay, so naturally it's very beautiful and architecturally it is very strong. People are very busy and Dhaka city it is crowded, but within the Dhaka city there is a calm and quiet place. This is Dhanmuri Lake, and in the Dhanmuri Lake you can see this bridge. It's an excellent bridge. You can enjoy the nature, and I can enjoy both sides of the lake, and I can see the people are moving. They are using car, rickshaw, they are walking here. Okay, you can see medical students are going here. They are having good time with their friends, understand? So all walks of people come here and pass their sweet time here, and it saves their time because under the bridge is very congested and there is a traffic jam in Dhaka city. So in the Dhaka city, if you want to have a cool and fun time in nature, please visit Dhanmuri Lake. So I am on the bridge, and in my front there is Rabindra Sarovar where people enjoy cultural programs and concerts, and in my left side there is a cafe, and there are lots of small shops. You can have chotpoti and fuchka. Even you can take a cup of coffee or tea. And if you want to take lunch are available here, and it's not so costly. You can make videos, you can capture nice photos here. So I invite everyone to have a cup of tea in this area with me. Thank you very much.